Alright, hello. Good afternoon and good evening po dyan sa Pilipinas. Okay, kita naman po sa title, to avoid or to free from stress, to free from cancer, avoid stress. Sabi nga ni Doc William. Kaya idaan na lang natin sa awit, sa kanta, kung ano man yung ating mga dinadala. Ang mahalaga ay meron tayong lakas, no, para lumaban. Okay, so unang kanta po sa inyo ay Let Me Be The One by Jimmy Bondo. Para po sa inyo lahat, shoutout po sa mga pumapasok. Makikilike and share po. Comment lang po kayo dyan ng mga gusto nyong kantahin natin. Samahan niyo po ako para libang-libang lang. Somebody told me you were leaving. Didn't know. Somebody told you you were happy, but it doesn't show. Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. No. So you walking out the door, somebody told me you've been crying every night. Somebody told me you've been dying. I don't want to fight. Somebody told me that you fed out love from me. So I'm setting you free. We don't want to break it up. You won't have to make excuses. We don't need to fight, set up where someone wins and someone loses. You just have to say our love was true, but it's not become. So I'm telling you, love you won't last long. And goodbye.